Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's get started with today's Minden. Today we are doing a classic on an old favorite of beans and franks. And sometimes I come up with my Minden's just like that. These happen to be a What's in the Fridge Wednesday, and it was so good that I had to bring it to you as a Minden Monday. And you can put it on your table in less than 5 minutes with only 3 ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray the pan with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to start with first browning our onions. I love to get the onions that are already diced because it saves you time and tears. So we're going to use about a half or a third of a container of onions. I never measure them, a little bit of this or a little bit of that. I kind of eyeball it and see what I like. So that looks like a good amount of onions for our recipe today, and then we can save the rest for another recipe. Throw it in your salad, whatever you want to do with it, but they don't go to waste. Now, our next ingredient, and this is how the recipe got started. I love hot dogs, don't love the nitrates. I found these all beef hot dogs by Hebrew National. They're antibiotic free and nitrate free, and so who doesn't love beans and franks? So what I did was I already cut up a package of the hot dogs, and they're already cooked. We're just going to kind of brown them up with your onions. And then the third ingredient, I used this in a stuffed mushroom Minden. I stuffed them with this and then topped it with some jack cheese. It was fabulous. You can find it on YouTube or my website, which is www.mindens.com, where all the nutritional information and the cost per serving are provided for you each week. Each Monday we bring you a new Minden, and you can shop along with us on Saturday, cook with us on Monday, and look, hardly any cleanup. We're all about the quick cleanup, the quick cooking to save you time. This new year, you cooked a lot over the holidays, so I wanted to start the new year off right with a really quick recipe for you. I put the lid on top because it was a little loud for us to talk. So now I'm just going to pour in the whole jar of beans. I love these beans because they already come with a seasoned tomato sauce. You don't have to add anything else. Amount of servings is depending on how hearty of an eater you and your family, if you want to say it serves 3, it serves 2, but the nutritional information will be on 3 servings. Give it a quick stir, and that's how fast dinner's ready because the beans are already cooked, the franks are already cooked, and I like the onions kind of just warmed. If you like the onions a little more done, then simmer it up a little more, but to me, this is perfect. Dinner is going to be served. Thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe to our website and our YouTube channel. It's free, and each Monday we'll bring you a new Minden. Thank you so much for joining us.